Okay, meteorologist Dean Davis and the Weather Pros, liveweatherblogs.com. We're talking about what's going to happen over the next 48 hours, 72 hours, and then beyond that. We're going to have the low pressure system that had affected the northeast move to the southeast, actually, at this point. What we're going to see is some overrunning precipitation with some cold air. We may see some mix of rain and snow. I don't think it's going to be anything that's going to be very much of a problem with roadways because it's been warm in this area. Snow up here in the Detroit area, parts of Ohio. We'll continue to move this in because this will actually strengthen into a stronger low pressure system, and this will have a lot to do with what we see Wednesday. We have rain to snow, and the snow will just crank out after that period. We're expecting some heavier snow. I actually think this may be a little off to what I see some heavier snow further east on this model, and it'll continue. That's one. Then going into Sunday, we may have some other issues. Sunday into Monday, I'm not sure I want to play this yet. This showed up earlier today. This would be a heavy snowfall for Roanoke, Lynchburg, D.C., that area, and New Jersey, and then move up to Massachusetts. Not as much of an issue. This is more of a southern issue over a northern issue. But that's a little bit still off, and I'm still not going to buy that. As we get into the 20th, we still do see some snow occurring in certain locations, especially in the northeast. So I say, okay, let's try another model. Let's see if another model has this in here. And we'll go into a local model for the Wednesday situation, so we can show you about that in the Delaware Valley. But anyhow, this is the CMC Canadian, and we're going to see here, it's a similar start. This shows really nothing in the way of snowfall for or mixed precipitation for the Roanoke Valley. So I think this is a little warmer, to be truthful on that one. It also is kind of playing a heavier snowfall for New Jersey. So I'm more agreement with where this low sets up and how this may occur with the storm. And I want to get you into the weekend so we can compare and contrast that. With the Canadian, this storm don't even get caught in the south. It had a little bit of snow come through Tuesday. So the Canadian is not buying it at all. And that's why I'm a little bit skeptical on actually putting heavy potential next week. So that's one reason why I'm not extremely hyped about that for next week. Here it's going to be the local 3K NAM, which is going to be really good. Move it about halfway because that'll probably put us to where we need to. So when we look here at the potential snow, we look here at the 5 to 10 in Philly, 7 to 13 Trenton, 6 to 10 up in New York City, 8 to 14 in Northern Jersey, 8 to 14 Mount Pocono, 7 to 11 out here in Coatesville, Wilmington 4 to 8, Dover a lot less, 1 to 3, parts of Jersey coastline, southern coastline 1 to 3, likely maybe nothing at the point of Cape May. So that's just that's 1 to 3 inches, not 1 to 3 feet. So stay with us here at the Weather Pros and liveweatherblogs.com. We'll keep you updated. Meteorologist Dean Davison. Thanks for watching.